yesterday was my first day, but I didn't feel like filming. It was just I needed to get adjusted day, so I decided to bring my camera with me today. This is gonna be the first vlog of my new place, so I'm really excited. Let's go. Had some downtime in between my guests, so here I am just texting all of my clients and letting them know I have left Ulta and where I'm at now. So I finished with my morning clients. I'm about to go have my lunch and then I'll be back for the afternoon. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I didn't film any of my work. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I will insert pictures and mini clips of my entire day today. So today was my second day at work. It was pretty phenomenal. I was, you know, of course, getting used to my area and just working with new people, as well as my reoccurring guests that I always see. I also gained some new clients. I was super excited to do that. Everybody at my new salon is so welcoming, so sweet, so nice. It's literally like a big family in there, and I mean, it's only my second day working and we've been cutting up, like having a good time, and I'm just really excited to be in this new space and share it with you guys, of course. So you guys will get to see more tomorrow, I promise, because tomorrow I have makeup clients. That's everything. I'm about to take a shower and get ready for tomorrow, and I will see you guys in the morning. And he's just adorable. Shadow. Hi, kitty. Made it to the gym. I had to pick up some packages, but let's get into this workout. So it's leg day and I'm just prepping my body by stretching. Stretching is essential to any workout, just to make sure that your muscles are prepped and ready to go. Before I do any lifting, I like to jump rope. This has been my new version of cardio. I kid you not, I can jump rope for hours. After I'm done jump roping, I get into my favorite superset. Workout includes mountain climbers, high knees, and sumo squats, and I do 5 of each 3 times. Next, before getting into my lifting, I like to activate my glutes, so I'm doing 3 sets of 12. These are donkey kicks, and then I also do 3 sets of 12 of fire hydrants. I did not get to film all of my lifting routine, so if you want to find more of my leg workouts, you can find them on my Instagram page underneath my fitness tab. But I basically am doing my highest weight I can with these workouts. The first one was just squats. This one is back reverse lunges. And then I also did hip thrusts and Bulgarian split squats as well. I literally just had to have a moment for this purse. Like, how cute. Y'all know I'm obsessed with butterflies, and I just thought this was perfect for the spring. And it was only $9. Like, you can't turn that down. Come on now. Okay. Now I need to go brush my teeth and I'm leaving. So pretty. Fresh. Yes. Haven't been done since I know. It's so crisp.
She wants water and 3 glasses of wine.
So Jasper?
Like my boyfriend say, which is zip it.
So guys, yesterday I went to the market and found this most adorable little market bag. This bag was only $15. Who's about to miss up on this deal? I'm ready for spring and summer with these colors. Alright guys, so my day is done. I'm about to go home and get ready to go out tonight. Check me out. Keep hat. I think you should wear a different hat. But it's kind of cute. Oh, my battery's about to die. I can't find another hat. What about this one? Yeah, I like that one. Shit. Yeah, I'm recording.
2 of these, 3 of these. Oh, well, your boy gonna be up there.
They lit.
fucking pussy wet ass pussy. It's your birthday. All I want for my birthday is a big booty house. Bury me inside the Gucci style. Get what we did. I'ma buy you a train. I'ma take it home with me.
This girl is lit than a motherfucker. Bab, how you feeling?
I'm feeling great, you know what I'm saying?
What you saying to the people?
If you went downtown, celebrating my homie TK birthday. Wait, it's April 24th. You tripping, you know what I mean? If you went down here April 24th, you slick missed out, fam. Me? I don't know what the fuck happened tonight, but there's something in the air, you know what I'm saying? We have to come and celebrate for the best chapter of her fucking life, you know what I mean? We don't even come outside. We don't even come outside. Because we really getting to it. Don't worry with it. Y'all outside, bro. We is outside. I don't know what else to say, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, I mean, we the best duo to do it, you know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't seen nobody do it better.
Ain't nobody doing it better, babe.
Nobody did it better, you know what I'm saying?
How many drinks did you have, babe?
I have no idea how many drinks I had. I know that shit, I don't know what the fuck y'all was thinking, but give me all this shit, dog.
It's okay, baby. My man's is out. Hey guys, so good morning / good afternoon. It's literally 5 p.m. I woke up earlier but had to take a nap because I literally got home at like 4 o'clock. As you saw, Takeo was drunk as hell, but I'm glad we had a great time, a great experience. I'm about to pick out her outfit for tonight as well as mine, so you guys can come along for the get ready process. We're going to have her birthday dinner at Hampton Social, which is downtown where we just left yesterday, but I'm like, we're not doing anything crazy today, just a nice dinner, just spend time with her. I'm in here. What do you say? Oh, you look so good. What is my hair? Here, put some mousse in it. We'll wet it real quick. He's so cute, Web. Oh my gosh, you came already? Let me see your drink. Yes, girl, it looks so good. I told you. It's a crab dip. Everybody got yummy food. Our food was so good. I had a great time. She had a good time. We're about to head back home. We wasn't here really that long, so see you guys later.